This video demonstrates the installation process for DX NetOps Network Configuration Manager (NCM) combination server. The combination server provides an all-in-one solution, hosting every component required to run DX NetOps NCM on a single system. At this point, the ISO containing the Network Configuration Manager packages has been downloaded from the Broadcom support site. The ISO has been mounted and all commands will be ran from the ISO. The pre-check script has also been executed and any errors have been resolved. Execute the install.sh script. Enter 3 for the NCM complete installation. The choice of the server type will be later in the script. Review the Install Anywhere instructions and press Enter to proceed. At the server configuration prompt, select the combination server option. This ensures a complete installation of all DX NetOps NCM components on this server. Specify your installation directory. You can enter a custom path now or simply press Enter to accept the default location. Enter a custom alias for this system, or press Enter to proceed with the default system name. Note that if you prefer a distributed setup, you can install the database on a separate server beforehand. However, for this combination server deployment, we are installing the database locally on this server. If your environment includes Broadcom EMC MNR reporting, you can integrate the reporting solution pack at this stage. For the purposes of this installation, we will select No. In this setup, we will proceed without a third-party root CA certificate. However, if your security policy requires one, have the certificate ready to upload when prompted. Enter a password for the auto-generated certificate. Please note that the characters will not be visible as you type. Also review the special characters that are acceptable. You'll need to enter the password twice for confirmation. Be sure to store these credentials in a secure location for future reference. Enter the email address where you would like to receive system notifications. Please note that the placeholder default will not pass the validation test, so be sure to enter a functional email address to proceed. Since a SendMail server is installed locally, we'll accept the default address provided by the script to handle system communications. Now, set a password for the lockbox. As with previous credentials, review the special characters that are acceptable and ensure to store this password in a secure location. Enter it a second time to validate your entry. Follow the prompts to configure your lockbox security questions. These will be used to recover or verify access to your secure credentials. You have the option to store NCM data in an encrypted flat file. However, most production environments utilize advanced security, which secures sensitive data within the lockbox for enhanced protection. Establish a secure password for the database. For security, your input will be masked and will not appear on the screen. Review the special characters that are acceptable. You must enter the password twice to ensure accuracy. Please record these credentials in a safe location, as they are essential for future administrative access. A summary of your configuration inputs is now displayed. Review the details one last time, then press Enter to begin the installation. The installation process may take several minutes to complete. For the purposes of this demonstration, we have accelerated the footage to save time. Next, the device drivers are being installed. The Smarts adapter is currently being installed and will be utilized if Smarts is detected in your environment. For DX NetOps managed environments, please consult the network observability documentation for further instructions. This completes the installation of the Network Configuration Manager combination server. Refer to the Broadcom DX NetOps Network Configuration Management documentation for any post-installation instructions for your specific installation.